Hey guys, happy Sunday to you. We got a new kit to look at. This is the Revell 8788 Lane Automotive Camaro. Here's the side box art. Here's this side. This is dated 1989. Let's have a look. So here's our engine. I did start putting the engine together. Here's our hood, radiator hoses, exhaust, part of our air cleaner, distributor. Here's our decals, which are in mint condition, which is shocking for as old as this kit is, but they're mint. Here's our chrome tree, the rims, our radiator, our air cleaner, valve covers. Here's part of our dash, our seat, our window net, fuel cell, rear bumper, top of the roll cage, wheel inserts. And for some reason, mine came with two sets of windows. So it came with this set and this set, which they look identical. So that must have been an accident from the factory. Here's our tires. These are Hoosier tires. Here's our directions. Here's our wheel backs. Front suspension, some more cage parts. Here's part for the back of the Camaro. Here's our rear end, our headers, part of the cage with the shocks built right onto it. Carburetor, our pulleys, not sure what this part is here. Here's our chassis, all one piece. Some more, this must be the side of the cage on the passenger side maybe. Spoiler, steering wheel. I like that it has all these shocks that are built into it. And then here's our Camaro body. Pretty good shape, just a little bit of flash along the bottom, but not horrible. This kit was factory sealed when I got it. I probably should have left it factory sealed, but I'm a builder, not a collector. So yeah. So we're going to be starting on this one. It's going to be a while before I can paint it, just because it's still chilly here in Iowa, but I can at least get the suspension or the chassis built and the engine, and then we'll start on something else while I wait till I can paint. But there we go. Once again, I did start the engine, so I'm letting that dry so I can get that all painted. But I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Hopefully I earned your like on it. If you haven't subscribed already, please remember to subscribe. You guys all have a great rest of your Sunday.